Hey guys, what is up? So, we are back with another haul, and this one is going to be interesting because I have ordered some very cool stuff again. So, first of all, from the Sensory Lab, I got another Kaiko product because why not? This is the textured black hand roller from Kaiko. I already have the mini ones, so I have the mini duo set. So I have the mini textured black and the mini regular one. As well as for the big ones, I have the large black one and the large oil slick roller. Now, to complete that part of the collection, I have ordered this one, which is the textured black, the big one. And I love it. It's so good. The textures on this are just amazing. I love it. I love collecting these hand rollers. If you want to see a collection of my Kaiko stuff, because I am getting a lot more Kaiko stuff now, then I will do that as well. So, yeah. So that's what I got from the Sensory Lab. There was a sale on, and I took advantage of that and got this. So, now from Funky Fidgets, I got a few things. So first of all, I got this really cool little 3-in-1 fidget. So it's a robot. You can pop its head. It's a little dimple on its head. You can move its wacky track legs and arms, and they click, which I really love. And, if I can get it right, you can spin it as well. Let me just fix that. There we go. You can spin it if you put it into like the shape like that. It doesn't spin all that long, but the fact that it even spins at all is cool. So it's a 3-in-1. Love it. Very cute. Then I got the metallic 3D fidget shape. It's basically another spiral thing. It's a really weird noise. That's just me pushing it in and out of the thing. And it goes in really easily too, so that's cool. I really like it, actually. So we have that. Then I got, as my free gift, this little fuzzy koosh ball. Really cute. Got it as a free gift. And then I got, so, you know how I was saying in the last video that I got 2 more packs of specs to add to the specs I already had, plus the magnetic ones from Atmos Fidgets? Well, I got the 2 new packs of specs, and I have mixed it with all of that, and now I have a lot of these little magnetic balls. So it makes a really nice crunch. Let me just show you. Give me 1 second. Listen to this. Listen to that amazing crunch. I love it. It's like playing with magnetic putty. But yeah, I can't wait for my Atmos Fidgets order to come so I can add the rest. And also to add the 5mm ones to that set as well. So I can't wait for that. And right now I'm just keeping my specs, all of my specs in this like little plastic pot. So, yeah. And of course I love my 5mm magnetic balls too, because they're just amazing. Like, just listen to the crunch on these. I know these aren't new, technically, because I haven't got the other set yet. The other 2 sets. But I just love that crunch, and I can't wait to get my hands on the rest of them that I ordered. Like, I ordered the multicolor ones as well, so... And these are the silver ones, so... Yeah. Fun. So yeah, that's the first part of the haul. I'll be right back. I got 2 more things from Funky Fidgets shop because I did the Halloween trick-or-treat event. It is not Halloween anymore. It's now the 8th of November as I'm recording this part. So I first got the Jumbo Gump from Specs. So this is the Jumbo stress ball that Specs made. Now I did get the original Gump from Juku Pop in the last haul. But now I have picked up the Jumbo one, not the original. This is a lot bigger. It's around the same size as the Snow Dough. And it is amazing. It's very moldable, but it obviously goes back to its original shape after a few seconds. But it's just really nice to squish in general. And I love it. Very good job, Specs. Very good job indeed. Next from Funky Fidgets, I got the Kaiko Lux Loop Black. And this is Kaiko's version of a flippy chain. So if you don't know what a flippy chain is, it's these 2 loops attached with these like little clamps on each side. And you can flip it around in your fingers and just like twist it. It's really good. A very good flippy chain. I've seen a lot of flippy chains. A lot of them are very cheaply made. But because this is Kaiko, it's a really good quality one. It's very discreet and perfect for school. If you go to school or work or college or really anything. So that's what I got from Funky Fidgets. From Atmos Fidgets, I got more of my magnetic balls. So here's the 3mm ones, which is around the same size as the Specs. If I can get the tub open, then that would be very helpful. I cannot get the tub open. So I'll be right back. So I couldn't get the 3mm tub open because my hands are just big at the moment. But I got more of the 5mm magnetic balls. And these ones I have put in one of these tins. But, hang on, let's get them out. The problem with this is they stick to the tin because the tin is metal. So getting them out is kind of hard. But what I'm gonna do is I'm going to probably like get a plastic tub for these, because at least then they won't stick. But listen to that crunch. I got a lot more of these. I got 2 more packs of the magnetic balls that are the 5mm ones. And I mixed them with the ones I already have. And they make an amazing crunch, and I'm obsessed. Let's just put it that way. Listen to this. Listen to that crunch. Listen. Let's just phenomenally satisfying. So that's the 5mm magnetic balls. And it's like playing with magnetic putty. I just love it. It is awesome. So, really glad to have that. I got the lid open for the 3mm ones. Here they are. Let me just show you. So, these are mixed with my specs. I had 3 packs of specs plus 2 packs of these 3mm ones, and I've mixed them. And I'm happy with the result. Again, it's a really satisfying crunch, like playing with magnetic putty. And I love them. Now, I might get one more pack of 5mm and one more pack of 3. Because I love them so much, and then that will be enough, because I want a specific amount. Like, I want to have a specific amount of these. Just gonna push these down. Actually, maybe I'll just get one more pack of 5, because the 3mm ones fit perfectly in this little what do you call it? In this little pot that I got with my caged fidget. Fit perfectly in there. If I can just, and I absolutely love them. Just close it back up. There we go. So that's the 3mm and the 5mm balls from Atlas Fidgets. Next, I got something from Etsy. This is a new seller I found on Etsy. This is a seller that sells EDC stuff. So, well, I believe it's all EDC stuff. It might be, but I could be wrong. Anyway, this is a very interesting mechanical slider. This is the industrial one. It's not too loose. It's kind of shaped like a slider, but it has like a long, thin thing on the top. It kind of looks like a aerial or like a telephone. It's kind of cool. So if you push the side here, it pushes up, and you push it back down. So I love the sound. I don't have a mechanical slider like this. It's different because instead of sliding it back and forth, you push a button and it slides up. And then you push it back down and it makes a very satisfying noise. I like it. So much so that I went and ordered another thing from this seller. I ordered a piano keys clicker that was made by EDC, so I'm excited to try that out. So that's the industrial fidget slider. Last but not least, I got stuff from 3D Fidgets. So I got the big Rainmaker heart. So I do have the small one, but I wanted to try the big one as well. And it's pretty cool. I like it. Makes a really nice sound. It's good to have for my collection. So we have that. Then I got their new ASMR ball. So this is really cool. Now you're thinking, it's a 3D printed company. Why are they making ASMR balls? Well, this ASMR ball is different. This one has 3D printed balls inside the balloon. Or the silicone, whatever. And even the seal is 3D printed. I love it. It's amazing. It's unique. It's awesome, and I love it. Next, I picked up the finger spin. So I've never tried this before. It's a little circle with a disc on it. You put your finger on the disc and spin the disc around the little circle. Glad to have this in my collection. Kind of reminds me of an air hockey table for some reason. I don't know why, but I love it. Sorry, I had to sneeze. But yeah, next I picked up the rocker switch. This is the flick switch. It's a little flicker. Sounds like this. Has a very nice click to it. So it's just a little switch that you can flick back and forth. Love that. Next, I picked up their new product, which is the ring roll. It's a 3D printed roller with 3D printed beads in it. So it's a bead roller, but it's 3D printed. And I don't have anything like this. You can like flick the beads back and forth, or you can roll them like a bead roller. And you can put it on your finger and just wear it, because it's a ring roll. So, because it has a loop at the top. So I love 3D printed fidgets. And then this is the I can't remember what it's called. I can't remember. But it's like two circles attached together. And you can like flick them back and forth. So yeah. That's pretty cool. And then last but not least, certainly, I'm just gonna put that back in my fidget bag. I'm currently out right now, so I'm keeping all these in my sensory bag. We have a free gift. It's this Halloween glow-in-the-dark gyro. Now, I have a tiny bit of vision, so I'm going to see if I can see it glow in the dark. And if I can see it glow in the dark, then I'm gonna let you guys know what I think, because I can see light, but that's about it. So what I'm gonna do is gonna turn off the light. I don't have a UV torch though, so it might not even glow. So we're gonna see. It's not glowing, but that's because, oh, actually, it's glowing ever so slightly. Oh yeah, it is glowing. Like, it's glowing to the point where I can see a tiny light. Yeah. Yeah, I can see it slightly, the glow. Which is really cool. So yeah, I can see a glow. It's a very slight one. And if I put it right up to my eye, I can see it a lot better. Like if I put this right up to the light, it might charge. Hang on. Okay. Now let's see. Yeah, it's glowing. So it's ever so slightly. But if you have like a UV torch or something, then you could probably make it glow better. But yeah, that's everything I got from 3D Fidgets. And I'm really excited because it's new November over there on 3D Fidgets. So every Tuesday they add new products. So at the end of November, I'll do another order. So yeah, that's all for now. I'll be back.
Speech on. 40. Voted on 55. Stop. Pause. Button. Stop. Button.
Then I got 2 things off of Amazon because there was something I really wanted. I got one of my new favorite fidgets in the whole world. This is the Little Ouchie multifunctional fidget. And it has a keychain on the end, so you can attach it to anything you want. And I think mine is blue and pink, I think. I believe, but it's multifunctional and I'm about to show you why. So, we've got the clicky button at the top. I love it. We have a really good spinner. Then you can rotate this part. And then on the bottom here, you've got this like slider. It does slide all the way up, but sometimes you get stuck. Oops. Oh my god, it's really cool. I love it. So that's what I got from Amazon. I also picked up a new magnetic slider. So this is the new one I have. I'm not really sure what it's called. But it's really high resistant. It's made of metal. I love it. Very clicky and snappy, and it's awesome. Then the last thing I got all the way from Australia is a new Kaiko product, and this one isn't sold in the UK, so I had to get it from Australia. And then I got it shipped from Australia all the way to the US, and then it got shipped all the way from the US and all the way here. So it's been all around the world, this thing has. This is the Kaiko 470 grams metal black infinity hand roller. And I know, I have a lot of hand rollers now, but I like collecting them. I quite enjoy collecting them, so I'm glad to have this one in my collection. So yeah. Yeah. So that's basically what I got from Amazon and also the Kaiko. Well, I didn't get it from Kaiko themselves. I got it from another Australian store because Kaiko had them sold out. So yeah, but that's what I got from those places. I also picked up a few more things from Fidgets by Amelie, which those should be coming soon. And something from Funky Fidgets. And a few things from Etsy. Although one of the things from Etsy won't get here for a while because it's going to the US. And then it has to go from the US to me, so yeah, it's going to take a while, but we'll probably do that in the next haul. So yeah, I will be right back with the next stuff in the next part of the recording. So, from Funky Fidgets, I got, if I can find it, the Kaiko Double Cog. So, I'll just get it out. So it's a double cog. It's very small. You can spin the cogs one by one, or you can spin them together. But I personally love it. I think it's adorable. And I'm glad to have another Kaiko product in my collection. So, yeah, glad to have that. And then from Fidgets by Amelie, I got 3 more fidgets here. I got the Switch box, which is right here. It's similar to the Switch barrel, but the Switch is slightly different. And the box itself is rectangular while the barrel is cylindrical, so I love that. That is awesome. I think that is really cool. Then I got the crackly bendy hand roller. So not only can you roll it like a hand roller, you can bend it, which is really cool. I love this. And then I got the fidget stick. This is customized by me. It has 5 fidgets on it. So this one was customized by me. I picked the fidgets on it. So I picked a thumb wheel. Well, actually, I told her to pick the noisiest fidgets she has and put them on the stick. So that's what she's done for me, and I appreciate that. That is awesome. So she's picked the thumb wheel, the Switch, this little flicker, this wheel that flicks, and then this joystick thing. I love this. I think this is really cool. But yeah, I love it. It is awesome. Now, I do have more stuff coming, but they won't be coming for a while because the place where I normally get my packages sent to, well, the person who lives there is currently on vacation, so I won't be getting my newer packages for a week or so. So I'm going to end this haul here and then begin a new one once I get the new stuff. And I hope you guys enjoyed listening to this haul, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye!